Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss how to present codes in our discussion forum and in your assignment. Presenting programming code in an assignment requires clarity, readability, and proper formatting to ensure your work is easy to understand and read. Remember, you're not the only one reading your code. Your peers are reading it, other people are reading it. So consider those people, including me, as your stakeholder. When you write a code, you have to make it easy for us. You have to accommodate other people. Here are tips to effectively present your code. Visual presentation is highly essential. Use a clear font. You can choose a monospace font like Courier New for presenting the code. Ensure the font size is large enough to be easily readable. Use syntax highlighting. I posted an earlier video on the importance of using syntax highlighting. Use an IDE or code editor that supports syntax highlighting. It makes it easier to read the code. The Python IDE supports syntax highlighting. If you decide to use another IDE, ensure that it supports syntax highlighting. Break down the code in small digestible chunks so that you avoid overwhelming other students with too much code at a time. Explain your code line by line. Go through the code step by step, explaining the purpose and functionality of each line or block. When you're planning for your code, think about real world analogies to how people read and understand context and items or text. We need the reader, including me, your instructor, needs to see the coding process, including your troubleshooting and debugging. That means you must include the programming environment. Please mark my words, it's a must. We're not going to deal with black box program where you just dump in a response that we don't know how you came about it. Commenting is a very essential aspect of reading codes and writing codes. It is very essential to use comment in your code because that's what helps the reader to understand what the code is trying to do. Then when you write your code, use a sniping tool to snipe out the particular area of the code you want to use. For example, if you look at our discussion for this week, if you're answering question 1, answer question 1, snipe out the code that relates to question 1, then make your comments. Move to question 2. Don't dump everything together. If you don't know where to get sniping tools, Windows have sniping tools built in for Windows 10 and 11 that allows you to capture screenshots, take freeform rectangular or window full-size snipes. The Snipe and Sketch is also available in Windows 10 and 11. ShareX is a powerful open source tool that supports multiple screenshot methods, including full screen, window, region, and scrolling captures. If you're using Mac has a built-in accessible tool. You can just press Shift Command 5. It allows the capturing of the entire screen or a selected window or portion of a screen. The Grab tool is another built-in tool that provides similar functionalities to the screenshots toolbar. Snagit is a third-party tool that offers advanced screenshot capabilities, including scrolling, capture, and annotation features. If you're on Linux, The genome screenshot tool, which is default in the environment, is accessible by pressing the print screen key. It allows capturing the entire screen or a window or a selected area. Flame Shot is another powerful tool for capturing annotation screenshots in Linux. It supports features like blur, highlights, and adding text. Shutter is another popular third-party tool that provides extensive screenshot capabilities, including capturing the entire screen, maybe a window or a specific area. So check out any of these tools to support you. But in summary, if you decide to copy and paste things that we don't understand, I want you to know that it will affect your grade in this course, because you have to consider us, your peers, and any other reader as you write your code. You have to make it easy for us to read and understand. And you also have to make it easy for other class members and your peers to learn from your code. When you just dump in things, it doesn't work that way. And you must know that Python is very particular about the number of spaces in between codes. That affects whether it's going to work or not. It must be reflected in the code you write. That's a very good coding habit that I want you to learn, even as you start learning how to program.
Thank you for